In this problem, it says determine the ordered pair kw such that 6x squared plus kx plus 12 equals 2x minus 3 times 3x plus w. So let's rewrite this. 6x squared plus kx plus 12. Now let's expand this out. We have 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared. 2x times w, so that's 2wx. Then we have negative 3 times 3x, so that's minus 9x. And then negative 3 plus w is negative 3w. Okay, now these two terms have an x in there, which means these two combine to be whatever k is. But this last term doesn't have an x at all, which means this has to equal positive 12. So 12 equals negative 3w. So when we divide both sides by negative 3, we get negative 4 equals w. Now, that's important for this because we know, all right, kx equals 2w, but in place of w, we can put negative 4x minus 9x. So this is going to be negative 8x minus 9x. So those combine to become negative 17x. So what we want is we want to write the ordered pair kw. So k is 17, w is negative 4. So our ordered pair is negative 17, comma, negative 4. There's our answer, and we're done.